extreme sacrifice somebody can do in the field of physics, Rama is the symbol of that. He gave everything for the sake of Sita. Finally gave up Sita herself to keep the principles. Somebody has to sacrifice to keep the principles. Rama did it. He paid the price. He could make the world's symbol of love. Ram Setu. Ram Setu is symbol of love. He made Ram Setu to get Sita. He did everything to get Sita. But when he needed to keep the principle alive, he was ready to give up even Sita. Don't think it was a small decision. Even I used to feel it was unfair. No, sorry. I want to complete with Rama and apologize to him. I know Rama would have suffered more. He would have gone through more pain when he sent Sita to forest than what Sita would have gone through. I know. But he needed to keep the principle of physics, the reality, administration. Understand, he is not interested in making legal as right, but making right as legal. Maybe I'll take few more satsangs and explain how he established the grand Hindu feminism by sending Sita to forest and making her as the ideal of Hindu feminism forever to the world. The greatest gift Rama gave it to the world is the principle of Hindu feminism, Sita. The ideal of Sita. One of the greatest gifts, I should say he has given multiple gifts. The principle, concept of Hanuman. Rama was the alchemy. He was the catalytic agent for a personality like Hanuman to manifest devotion. See, for a personality like Hanuman to happen, you need to be an absolute Purusha, an absolute Uttama. Absolute Purusha, Paramashiva. Absolute Uttama, playing within the principles of the physics. Only then a personality like Hanuman can be manifested. Hanuman, who knows Rama is Paramashiva, and he knows he plays within the principles of physics. So Hanuman has to manifest all the powers through his devotion and make Paramashiva's mission happen. But Rama, what a responsibility. Some of the greatest gifts he gave. Hanuman. I tell you, the greatest gift he gave it to Ravana for being a Shiva Bhakta is a death by his hand. I tell you, Ravana had everything best in his life. What more can you get other than the death? Anyhow, he has to die one day. The death by Rama, Ravana became eternal as long as Rama is going to be told, remembered. Ravana is going to be told and remembered. What more you want? Anyhow you have to die. Dying in the hands of Rama. What an amazing death. I tell you, Ravana had everything best because he is a Shiva Bhakta. Even in death, he had best. Shiva gave him everything. Everything best. Rama gave greatest gifts to the world. Ultimate gift is not even he entering into Sarayu and leaving the body and going to Vaikuntha, sending Sita to forest and establishing the strength and stamina of Hindu feminist ideal Sita. The principle of Hindu feminism. Never ever a personality like Sita can be presented to the world and the punch, the climax of Sita, the ultimate Shiromani on Sita's crown is Rama sending her to forest, and that whole episode that shows the glory of Sita, and Rama sacrificed Sita to demonstrate and show the glory of brand Sita to world. Fools can never understand what I am talking. The anti-Hindu elements constantly trying to hurt and brand Hinduism as anti-women can never understand what I am talking. If Sita has not gone to the forest, she will be remembered only to the level of Satyabhama and Rukmini. But by going to the forest, she will ever be remembered as the ideal of Hindu feminism. What Hindu feminism stands for. And I tell you, in the Rama Parivara, Rama is the catalyst agent. He built the brand of Lakshmana, Sita, Bharata and Shatrugna and Hanuman. Understand, in any movie, a hero will always try to have maximum screen space. A hero who is ready to give a screen space for the side actors is the real life hero. Rama is the real life hero. He was ready to share the screen space with the side characters. Bharata, Shatrugna, Hanuman, Lakshmana and Sita. Nothing can be compared to Rama's sacrifice.